Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Hafizil from Polytechnic Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin. Today, I would like to present my proceeding paper entitled Design and Development of Flexible Conveyor Trash Collector. This is the abstract of my proceeding paper. I will not read this abstract due to the time constraint. However, I would like you to keep in your mind that keywords for this paper are water pollution, floating trash, flexible conveyor, trash collector, and water pump. As for the first introduction, there is an increase of solid waste materials, especially plastic, which is the most common material that can be found in the oceans, and more are being dumped there every day. However, only 1 to 3% of plastic waste is recycled. As you can see, these figures shows the data on waste disposal of plastic, including food waste to plastic packaging in all countries. These figures showed the impact of plastic waste contamination on marine life that been discussed by the NGOs and academic scholars. However, the problem of waste disposal becomes a severe problem as there was a massive floating trash at water surfaces such as at sea, lakes, and rivers. Moreover, more resources such as workers and costs are required to collect the floating trash on the water surfaces. Furthermore, there will a need for more specific and high technology to collect the floating trash in the water. As for the literature review, this paper discusses several options that can be referred as for the ideal generations, including the ocean cleanup. The ocean cleanup was launched by Boyan Slat at the center of the sea, which aims to scale up to a fleet of approximately 60 systems that focus on the Great Pacific Garbage Patch over the next 2 years. For the second solutions that related to the project was the Inner Arbor Water Wheel or Mr. Trash Wheel, which combined old and new technology to harness the power of water and sunlight to collect litter and debris flowing down the Jones Falls River. Trash wheel use solar and hydropower to collect trash and debris floating down the river, deposits it into a dumpster barge and streams before it reaches open water. As for the third solution, this machine is called SeaVacs that functions well at sea to collect the floating trash. The objective of the project are to design the flexible conveyor trash collector, to fabricate the framework structure of the systems, and to analyze the functionality to collect the amount of collected trash with the specific operation time. To simplify the project, the scopes of the project were referred to the main objectives, which were design, fabricate, and analyze. Therefore, the scopes that were related to the design were idea generations, including function decomposition chart and morphological chart. In addition, dimension and drawings such as detailed drawings and assembly drawings were included in the scopes for the objective. As for the second objective, which is fabricate, there are few scopes that related from the material selection to the assembling process. And for the final objective is analyze, which covers the functionality analysis of the system and methodology to conduct the trials, including the input and output of the system. This is the flowchart for the flexible conveyor trash collector. Figure 2 shows the function decomposition chart has been mentioned earlier in the scopes of the project. Table 1 shows the morphological chart which covers the functions of the systems and offers the possible sub-solutions that can be selected according to the requirements and specification. The morphological chart also covers the energy conversions of the system as well as the required storing method for the floating trash. Figure 3 shows the design variations for the flexible conveyor trash collector from the first design to the final design for the assembly drawing. Figure 4 depicts the schematic diagram of flexible conveyor trash collector which explains visually how the system works, while full assembly for the system is shown in Figure 5. In results and discussion sessions, the analysis for the functionality of the flexible conveyor trash collector is shown in Figure 6. The graph compared the collected amount of floating trash including plastic bag, cigarette butts and plastic bottle for two trials in 1 minute and 2 minutes. It shows that cigarette butts achieved the highest collected amount for two trials as compared to others due to its lightweight and small in size. In general, numbers of innovative ideas have been contributed to build this project. However, due to the fund and time constraint, few innovative ideas need to be eliminated. Overall, the objectives of this project were successful with the finalized design is selected, fabricated and analyzed. The conclusions of this project as follows. 1. The system can solve the floating trash problem. 2. The trials have been successfully conducted. And the last one is more amount of trash can be collected with higher pressurized water pump being used. Here, I enclose my presentation today for the International Conference on Research in Engineering and Social Science 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Please click and subscribe my YouTube channel at DRM Hafizil.